Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to buy the season pass in Marvel Snap. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. This works both the same on Android and iPhone, or even if you're playing on PC like me, so you do not have to worry what kind of phone you have or if you're on PC. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open the application. If you want to find out how to play Marvel Snap on PC like me, then watch our other video where we explain how to install the application on your PC, so you'll be able to play anywhere. But yeah guys, after that, after launching the application and after logging into your account, you will be having a new account guys. When you have a new account, you will not currently have the option to buy a season pass. As you can see here guys, after clicking on season passes, you can see that my pass is called Recruit Season. This is because as a new player, you have to earn all these 20 achievements by yourself without the pass, and then after you have completed the 20 achievements, then the option to buy a season pass will open up to you. After that guys, you will be able to go here to the shop where you can buy your daily offers, you can buy gold and so on and so on. But also here guys, you'll be able to have an option to click to buy the season pass that they will offer you for $10 each month. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. That's how you have to first create your account, and then after you stop being a beginner and they give you the option to buy the pass, you'll be able to. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.